Promotions and discounts for the Unity point of sales is set up within Unity Enterprise. Follow these simple steps to guide you through the process. Log in into Unity Enterprise. Go to the Promotions and Discounts option in the Products menu within Unity Enterprise. Next, click on the plus icon to initiate the creation of a new promotion or discount. You will now move to the Promotion and Discounts Details page. Follow the prompts under Promotions and Discounts Details to specify the details of your promotion or discount. The name field will require you to provide a descriptive name and/or any relevant information about the promotion. The next field to navigate to is Action. Here you will specify the desired action for applying promotions and discounts from the options available. This could involve percentage discounts, fixed amount discounts, or other promotional offers. Once the action is chosen, we will need to set up the conditions. Choose the appropriate conditions for your products to trigger the promotion or discount. This could include factors like product category, purchase quantity, or specific items. You may add more than one condition to activate a promotion or discount. Final step, save changes. Once you've configured the promotion or discount according to your requirements, be sure to save the changes to activate the promotion in Unity POS. By following these steps, you can effectively set up promotions and discounts for Unity POS in Unity Enterprise, enhancing your marketing and sales strategies.